everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Kim, and today I am working from home, and I just put my hair in this ponytail. Y'all, it's all jacked up, twisted up all kind of ways, but excuse me, I just needed my hair to be back because I have to get on to a meeting, so they won't see the back of it. This weekend I plan to crochet my hair because I still have 8 packs of lock hair. But anyway, I'm so ready to do something with my hair. I feel like I need something on. Let me put my necklace on that I normally wear. Yeah, I've been eating on these saltine crackers. I think I'm starting my eating healthy journey over for the 555th time. And get ready for my groceries, then get myself logged in for work, and then I'll just come back and talk to y'all later. Y'all, it's Saturday. I was eating some grapes. About to blow dry my hair. Use this Aunt Jackie's now on my watch. Oh yeah. Day what, 11 of the government shutdown. I'll be back. I'm done. And it ain't blown out that good. Look at these ends. It's a faded short. Yeah, I have so much hair. It's crazy. And this was the only thing I put in there. I didn't put any oil in my hair. Alright, y'all. So I am back at home. Today was a rainy day. I'm trying to get this necklace off. But I accomplished the goal. I got my hair braided. My mom braided it. And then I just crocheted in this hair that I already had because, you know, if you've been following me, then you know that I've had my hair done like this maybe about, this is probably the 3rd time. I had 8 packs of hair left over from the last time I crocheted, so I just used that. I'm probably going to trim, like, to even up some of these pieces that are hanging really long. But y'all, I like it. I just needed something done to it so I don't have to worry about doing my hair in the morning. I got some coleslaw, just trying to cut calories where I can because the kids wanted Bojangles. And then I got the Bo Bites to try. Honey mustard. They got bomb honey mustard. Oh God, that just shot out everywhere. So Bojangles has joined the AI team as well. They had AI taking the order. First time I experienced that was at Checkers. But y'all, these are supposed to be nuggets. Look, they're pretty big. These are basically like chicken tenders. Very crispy looking. Let's try it for the first time. Top 10. This is good. People sleep on Bojangles, but Bojangles is there. You can mix with the coleslaw. It tastes better. But y'all, it's a 3-day weekend because of Columbus Day Monday. I'm happy with this meal. My mom's birthday is Tuesday, so I took her gifts. 2 Pandora charms. I'm gonna watch movies, and I'll talk to y'all later. Hey y'all, so it's Sunday morning. Avery and I are getting ready to go to Target. I need to pick up a couple things that I forgot to get with our weekly grocery haul. And then I ordered some Starbucks. Wanted to try that pumpkin chai tea latte. And y'all, I tried pumpkin spice a few years ago, like way back. And I couldn't even swallow the, I think it was a pumpkin spice frappuccino from Starbucks, but I want to try this it's like pumpkin cream chai tea, something like that. I would definitely come back and give y'all my reaction. Also, I'm getting the oatmeal from Starbucks. My mom and sister keep saying it's good. Want to give that a try. And then I also show y'all what we got from Target. So my mini me is over here. She's looking at me like, I'm ready. So let's head on out. I'm going to wash some clothes today. Stuff from Target. So I just went ahead and ordered some more tissue. Yeah, I've been cutting back on my eating, so I decided to try these. And these are organic granola bites. They are nut and gluten free, and they have chocolate chips in it. I think in every little pouch is maybe like 5 or 6 of those for 110 calories. Not bad. Got Avery some of these. She's been loving those lately. Pack of baby wipes. Needed some cheese, so I got this sliced Kobe jack. I got a case of water, but it's in the car. It's raining, y'all, so I just grabbed everything I could grab and got on out the way. So I'll get that later. Got them some dino nuggets. So I want to put this stuff up, and then I'm going to do a taste test of this pumpkin cream chai tea latte. That's the complete name, y'all. Yeah, okay. So I got the oatmeal. I got it made with oat milk, some agave syrup, a nut melody, brown sugar, and I also got the dried fruit. I don't know, look like some cranberries and stuff, but we'll see what that's like. But here is the star of the show. This is what I wanted to try out. So that's what it is and how I got it made. It's a grande iced pumpkin cream latte, and I got it made with oat milk. I also got oat milk in this oatmeal. Avery got a grilled cheese, and I got a more of the Impossible sandwich. So let's give it a try, y'all. Y'all, this is good. This is really good. Let me find out I like pumpkin spice. So my sister's like, it's so good, it's so good. I think my mom tried it too. And then they like the oatmeal from McDonald's too. And I tried that one. Maybe I didn't ask for it, the right stuff. I feel like with pecans, it would have been cool. That's a lot of brown sugar that they give me in that pack. I'll put a little more in there. This'll do. But I get it again, maybe. I'm about to go ahead and wash my clothes. And I'll come back and talk to y'all later. Alright, y'all, so I am washing up some dishes. Then I'm gonna make some dinner. So I've been measuring my freeze and stuff. I'm trying to figure out like what to do about it. But anyway, so I'm making pinto beans for the first time. I have never in my life eaten pinto beans and knew it. And then this Zatarain's honey butter cornbread. I think I've had this before. Now this calls for some eggs and milk. I didn't think anything about that. I don't think I have any milk. Y'all, this is my plate, and these beans are really good. And then I miss white rice, y'all. I tasted this when I first got done with the rice, because I put a little bit of butter and some salt in it. I haven't had white rice in forever and a day. It tastes so good to me. I mean, so good. Yeah, I miss white rice. I like pinto beans. And I'm just gonna chill out. Oh, I'm hopping in the shower, watching 90 Day Fiance and fold clothes. Thank y'all for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye, friends.